guys? It's been a while. Getting ready. It's about, I guess, almost halfway through summer. Kind of feels like it, anyways. Haven't RV'd in about 2 months, probably. Whenever the last videos were. Everybody knows we take the summer off. Uh, Getting stuff done around the house, medical, whatever. Oh, real quick, the dogs are doing good. Um, Shoot, new camera. I don't know how to. I'll just turn it around, I guess. Uh, yeah, I'm recording. New phone, I should say. There's Oliver and Thor, and there's Brutus and Daisy back there. Hopefully, you guys can see that. Uh, Daisy had a few issues. Actually, Oliver had a pretty big issue. He had a fatty tumor, his behind, his butt. Daisy had a little growth on her chest area. We're just getting all that taken care of, stuff like that. Medical, but we're getting ready. We're planning a trip for October. I think I just got the green light from the boss lady. I'm hoping for 2 weeks. I really want 2 weeks, but the problem is the place we'd like to go out west here um, is you can't seem to get it more than, like, the last time I looked yesterday, in about 9 days total. Step two. I can't seem to get more days than that. I think either large parties are coming in and booking, or I think that maybe they prefer you don't stay more than so many days. It's kind of weird. I'll take 9 if we can get it. How's everyone doing? How's the RVing going? Has everybody been RVing this summer? Out west here, just really no break in the gas prices. So freaking ridiculous. Some other areas, Arizona, I think it's $1 less. So I think they're in the, I want to say, the mid threes, lower threes. I'll put a screenshot in. Might even be lower than that. It makes it hard, if you got a diesel truck and you got a lot of weight going down the road, and part of your budget expense is, that is gas. Plus you got RV parks fees. You got, gotta have an emergency fund. God forbid if something happens. We've been just going local anymore. We really just love that because we can have a short drive. We're still close to home. If anybody needs anything here, and we feel like we're still getting away. We really like this place we go to. Check out some of the past videos. You'll see it. Gonna try and do maybe something a little different. I like the longer videos, but I'm not too sure. Leave a comment. You guys like the longer or shorter videos? Let me know. This one's gonna be short. I'm just letting you guys know I'm still alive, getting ready to RV again. Yeah, we haven't done a lot on the RV. We had kind of a strange call from the storage lot, though. They said we were leaking some type of fluid, and we went out there, and it was not leaking any fluid that I could tell. So that was a no-go. We went out there, and I think maybe what they saw was some condensation running off the rails on the top of the roof. They thought maybe it was some type of who knows what, water or some other fluid leaking down on the ground. But I'm glad they called. At least they're keeping an eye out. I'd rather have that than nobody caring. Anyhow, it's kind of windy out here. I hope it's not picking up on the microphone too bad. But yeah, so yeah, we're planning for October again. Truck-wise, I don't think there's been any recalls, which is kind of, I guess it's good and bad. When you don't have any recalls, it makes you think, are they still keeping an eye on the, the platform? Are they just concentrating on the new stuff? But yeah, I think I'm all up to date on this 2019 Rammer diesel. I think the last one was the tailgate. Yeah. Oh, I did have a little accident out there last time. I don't know if I talked about it in any other videos. I was backing in. We went fishing. I was backing in back to the RV, and I hit the tailgate on the fifth wheel part of the RV. Uh, Scared the heck out of my wife and my mother-in-law when I came in. I don't know what the heck happened. I was trying to avoid a tree on one side. I'll try and include some pictures here. But yeah, I put a little dent. I'm not gonna worry about it. It did crack the back tail light, but I put a piece of tape on. It seems to be holding. Those are so god awful expensive. I don't want to replace that unless I have to. It seems fine. There's, it's a truck. Hey, it's gonna have some bumps and dings. It gives it a little character, right? But other than that, guys, I did a big clean out on it because it had so much dog hair. Actually paid someone to do it because it was so bad. So yeah, I got all that cleaned out because and that's literally just the trips out back and forth to the campsite, really, or the vet. We use the truck for the vet runs too. Um, but other than that, yeah, everything's going good. I hope everybody's doing good. Welcome to the channel if you just joined. Thanks for all the long-term subscribers, the new subscribers. Like I say, only do these when I have something to say, or kind of midsummer like it is now, just to give everybody an update as to the channel status and what the plans are for I guess the rest of the year. It's As I film this, it's kind of getting towards the tail end of July, so October's still a little far off, but it doesn't hurt to plan ahead. Um, we're constantly kind of on the lookout for what we can improve with the RV, especially in the downtime. It gives us a chance to think through things that we can do better. Um, I know the better half's thinking about getting some carpet for the new stairs, which I think I showed you guys last time, and it will help quite a bit. I'm glad she's going to do that because there's little ridges in those stairs that is really hard to sweep out. So I think having carpet on them will make them a little better in that regard, just sweeping them off or whatnot. Other than that, everything's going pretty good with the both the RV and the truck. And I've been constantly on the lookout for different campsites, more affordable campsites. Not that this one's too bad. I want to say, I think they're around $50 a night now, which isn't too horrible. I guess that's kind of maybe the standard going rate anymore. I don't know. I know with your vet, there's a lot of times you can either get free camping or around $35 a night, a lot of places. But again, this one kind of works for us. That it's fairly close. So anyhow, I think I'll just keep it short, guys. Keep it about this time frame. Please leave a comment if you guys are doing any great camping or did anything fun this summer with your RVs, or what your new setups are. Maybe you've changed setups, over the years, and just want to share that as well. But again, I'll give an update on the gas prices and any recalls that may be happening like I normally do. I haven't heard anything from Grand Design either, so I think they've been pretty quiet, and maybe they're just all recalled up and made everything right, which I doubt. I love Grand Design. They do make things right when stuff goes wrong, but there's always something with these things. It's just the nature of owning an RV. If you're new to it, don't let it scare you off. It's interesting hobby, I'll put it that way. Just kind of be ready to have to repair things occasionally. It's not all nothing else to do. So there's my better half, and I'll talk to you soon.